arrays. So this is amazing. Let's start the submarine. Let's press the start button. And prove you're not a robot by solving the puzzle. Do I look like a robot? Well, you never know. And nowadays, robots just look like you and me. Let's see if we can solve the puzzle then. Okay, so we need to make sure that both of our do you have a question, Carmen? We need to make sure that both of the arrays meet the requirements here. So they are saying that our pink array needs to be 2 times 3, and our blue array needs to be 2 times 4. We're first going to look at some grids, and then we're going to come back to this problem. Okay, so this is our grid here. And in our grid, we're going to put a 3 by 3 array. Okay, so 3 times 3. This means I have 3 rows. These are my rows. 1, 2, 3. So remember, rows, it's like if you're in a boat and you row across a lake, you're going to go across. So if you're in a boat and you row across a lake, you go across. So our rows go across like this. So we have 3 rows. And then we have 1, 2, 3 columns. Okay, that's how we get the 3 and the 3. 3 rows times 3 columns. Okay, now it doesn't matter where our array is within the grid. As long as it's a 3 by 3 array, it's going to be 3 by 3.